Hello everyone. This is Nolly. I'm here to talk about Cardano NFTs for beginners and how to make it very easy for you guys to start it up. Just know that this video is just for entertainment purposes and it's for fun. You have to know I'm not your financial advisor. You are definitely gonna do your own research. Okay, let's go. First of all, you have to have an exchange like Binance or KuCoin. I already had an exchange here. So the next thing you have to do is to go to the markets and purchase Ether. You have to buy Ether. Most of you should know about it, but I'm just doing this for beginners. You buy Ether. I'm just buying out of $15. I just bought it. So now I have to go to my wallet. This is my Ether. Okay, so you can see I have like 15 Ether. Then the next thing I have to do is to create a native wallet, which is Nami wallet. So I have to create a Nami wallet. Then I can just put it on a section. Okay, it's already here. So this is my Nami. Okay guys, if you can see, I've already created my Nami account, but one thing you should understand here is when you're creating this account, you have to, as much as possible, remember to keep your passphrase. Okay, now once you're done creating this, all you have to do is to go to receive, click on the address, go back to your Binance, you click on withdraw. You paste the address here, it shows you Cardano. Then when it shows you Cardano, you click on maximum. You now click on your withdraw. Okay, it's gonna ask for normally a verification code and email, so I have to click on, I have to put the number. Then I have to go to the Google Authenticator. Okay, right now I've sent it already. Okay, so once I sent it already, you can close this one, you can close this one. The money is gonna come to this place. Okay, so while we're waiting for the money to come to this place, you have to create what we call the Cardano marketplace, which is, we have jpg.store is a marketplace, as you can see. So this marketplace is really a very good one. They still have another one, which maybe my next video I'm gonna show you, but I'm just trying to make it brief for each and every one of us that is getting into Cardano NFT to understand it the simplest way. Now this is the marketplace. You don't have to do much. All you have to do is go to this connect wallet and click on, you open Nami already, you click on the Nami, boom, it opens. You understand? So now while we're still waiting for the money to come to the Nami, once it reflects, you're gonna see it there. Now how do you go about it? What next do you have to do? You've created your Binance account, you funded it, then you created a Cardano native wallet. What next do you have to do? How do you start trading? How do you start looking for NFTs? Now what you have to do is you go to CNFT.com. But okay, it opens right now. So once this opens, the next thing you have to do is you just close it, just go to the calendar. Okay, once you go to the calendar, now it's showing you the upcoming NFTs. Upcoming meant that you have to see here. So for example, you can go to the bot club corrupt chips, you open it, boom. Once it opens like this, it's still loading, but a bit of it has opened. Once it opened, the next thing you have to do is go to their Twitter handles. Let me show you. Now, once this opens, you now have to check them, be following them on your notification, then follow them on their Discord. Follow them on their Discord. It's very, very important that you follow them on their Discord, because when you follow them on their Discord, you get informations. Okay, you get a lot of informations from them when they are minting, how they are minting, their announcement, their procedures. Do you understand? So it's really cool. It's really, really a beautiful thing. Okay. Yeah, it's saying nothing found here because I've not done anything. This is the marketplace. This is the marketplace where you can buy your NFT after minting or sell. Maybe you are not opportune to get an NFT, you rush in here and buy one, boom, it gets to your wallet immediately. So this is the Discord. You have to put your name. Their Discord, they have about 7,608 members. So this is cool for now. Next I'm gonna show each and every one of you is how to use other native tokens to trade NFTs, just like Nami, and again to show you how to spot good NFTs so that you won't just be buying rubbish. Okay, thank you so much. See you guys next time. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you find this very interesting. Take care of yourself, everyone.